This one is one of our endemic species. It's a legume called Tradehagi triquetum, and it flowers around this time, that is November, December, and all. And I found it to be a very versatile plant that has some herbal applications, and then also from rewilding and butterfly gardens and all, it's very important. It's extremely hardy and quite long lived also, and in worst of soils also it can survive without watering and all. Hard degraded soils also does very well. I've done few videos earlier of it also, and so for rewilding, regreening, regeneration of soil and all, it's a very good plant, this Tradehagi triquetum. And it has nice flowers also, and it's a nice plant to have along the borders and hedges and such places. It can be grown as an independent plant also, as one of the hardy natives.